Hey there guys, welcome to KSAD single box break number 81 of 11-12 Panini Dominion. So the last team that ended was Edmonton Oilers on October 23rd at 10:34 p.m. Eastern Time. To current eBay date and time. Refresh. Refresh one more time. Okay, so current date time is Tuesday, October 23rd at 9:26 p.m. Pacific, and it's Wednesday morning, October 24th at 12:26 a.m. Eastern Time. So back to our auction. Serial number we're doing tonight is 189816676. Let's go over to our box. 189816676. Over the box first. Sealed and sealed. I'll show you guys serial number one more time. $66.76. And so good luck, guys. Sealed. Okay, so good luck. Empty. And here we go. So we got decoy. Focus decoy. So base for the Pittsburgh Penguins of Mario Lemieux, 20 of 199. Next one, we got autograph rookie patches of Harry Sateri for the San Jose Sharks. Harry Sateri. Next one, we got a gold rookie patch of Blake Geoffrion, number 16 of 57. I don't even think they put more than one color on a patch card like that. So one color for the Canadiens. We got a triple pen pals, which is going to be random between the Colorado Avalanche, New Jersey Devils, and Ottawa Senators of Gabriel. It consists of Gabriel Landeskog, Adam Larson, and Mika Zibanejad. Number 1 of 25. So that will be randomed. Next one, we got a base jersey of Wojtek Wolski for the Florida Panthers. 90 of 100. Another base of Chris Kunitz for the Pittsburgh Penguins, 93 of 100. Another base jersey of Jeff Carter, 67 of 100. We got a base of Jaromir Jagr for the Philadelphia Flyers. Got base for Ottawa Senators, Jason Spezza. So I'm guessing they think that pen pals out of 3 is a big hit or something. Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, normally when they do base cards, that's what. Oh, nonetheless, we'll set up the randomizer and go from there. So randomizer set up now. So listed Colorado or Devils, Senators. I should written Avalanche, but whatever. Colorado. So it's listed as shown on the card. So Colorado, New Jersey, and Ottawa. So we're going to random the list 3 times, and the team on top is going to receive the triple pen pal. So good luck to the teams in it. So 1, 2, and 3. That goes to the New Jersey Devils, and you have randomized this list 3 times. So congratulations, New Jersey. Other than that, be sure to check out the other boxes ending tomorrow of Dominion and Double Artifacts.